There's a huge alarm across the world over a new coronavirus strain discovered in the United Kingdom and another in South Africa that are believed to be able to spread faster and infect more people. Now, does this mean it is more fatal, and will vaccines currently being developed work against it? And how do we know we are infected with the mutated virus? And what is mutation anyway? We answer those questions in this video. First, what is the new strain and how does it infect more people? The new version of SARS-CoV-2 named VUI 2020-12/01 is spreading in the UK and has 17 potentially important alterations in the genetic code of the virus. Alterations have been spotted in the spike protein, which the virus uses to unlock the gates to human cells. Another mutation has effectively removed a small part of the spike protein, and studies suggest that the deletion makes antibodies from the blood of survivors less effective at attacking the virus. Now, how did the virus mutate? Experts offer the most likely explanation that it mutated in the body of a person with weakened immune systems whose body served then as a breeding ground for the virus. Now, is the infection more deadly now? There's no evidence to suggest that yet, but it is being monitored. However, infection spreading faster is itself a concern for hospitals and governments that are overburdened now. Will the vaccines we have till now work against the virus? Experts say yes, they most certainly will, because vaccines are designed to attack many parts of the virus, although more mutations in the virus may be a worry. If it adds more mutations, it may be on a path to vaccine escape, which means it can dodge vaccines we have, much like the flu virus. So vaccines will need to be updated, and experts say that the vaccines we have can be easily tweaked. Now, do viruses mutate? Yes, they do, and it is natural. Mutations are alterations to genetic sequence. We are made up of DNA, which is basically a genetic code like a computer program code. Any change to the code alters the way the program behaves, or similarly in how the biological structure behaves, or the virus in this case. Mutations can occur naturally during cell division or be induced by external factors. So, how will you know if you have the new mutated virus or the one that's globally dominant? The symptoms of the new variant are not different, at least according to studies until now. However, genome sequencing will reveal if the infection is caused by the new strain or not. Genome sequencing is the process of separating the genetic code protein by protein to determine if a particular protein is out of order as compared to the genome of the coronavirus that originally infected large parts of the globe. And then it is confirmed whether the virus is mutated or not. We hope this video helped decode what is going on with the new virus strain, and as for how you should protect against it, the SOPs are very much the same: masks, social distancing, and hand and respiratory hygiene.